The universe is constantly in motion, and over the next few decades, we're in for some jaw-dropping cosmic events that will light up the night sky. Whether you're a space enthusiast or just love stargazing, these events give us a front-row seat to the wonders of the cosmos. From rare planetary alignments to meteor showers, the upcoming 50 years are packed with celestial spectacles you won't want to miss. Before we dive in, if you're fascinated by space and want to stay updated on the latest astronomical events, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. You won't want to miss what's coming up. First up in 2040, we'll witness a spectacular planetary alignment where Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn will all appear close together in the sky alongside a crescent moon. Now, contrary to what many might think, a planetary alignment doesn't mean the planets are lined up perfectly in space. It just looks that way from our view on Earth, an event called a conjunction. Historically, these alignments were seen as signs from the heavens by ancient cultures, and they still fascinate us today. The next one happens in 2040, and it'll be a rare chance to see multiple planets in one glance. In 2037, we'll be treated to a super blue moon, a combination of a supermoon and a blue moon. A supermoon occurs when the moon is at its closest point to Earth, making it appear larger and brighter than usual. A blue moon, on the other hand, is the second full moon in a month. Though the moon won't actually turn blue, it's a rare event, happening only once every few years. The next super blue moon will be visible in 2037, so make sure to plan a night of stargazing. It'll be a sight you won't forget. By the way, if you're excited about these upcoming events and want more detailed guides on how to watch them, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel and lets us know you want more content like this. Also in 2040, Jupiter and Saturn will come extremely close in what's known as a great conjunction. These two gas giants will appear so close in the sky that you could cover them both with your pinky finger. The last time this happened was in 2020, but in 2040 they'll be even closer. It's an event that only happens once every 20 years, but the proximity in 2040 makes it a can't-miss moment. The Leonid meteor shower is another event to watch out for in 2031. Known for producing some of the most incredible meteor storms in history, the Leonids are especially thrilling when Earth passes through dense clouds of debris left by Comet Tempel-Tuttle. At its peak, you could see up to 15 meteors per hour. So find a dark spot, lie back, and enjoy the show. No telescopes required, just your eyes and a little patience. The Perseid meteor shower is a summer favorite, and the 2028 event is expected to be particularly spectacular. Linked to debris from Comet Swift-Tuttle, the Perseids could put on a show that's remembered for decades, with some predicting a meteor storm of over 1,000 meteors per hour. Imagine that. An explosion of meteors lighting up the sky all night long. Keep your eyes peeled for this one in August 2028. Next, a rare occurrence. A full moon on Leap Day, February 29th. This happens so rarely that it's only occurred a handful of times in history. The next full moon on Leap Day will be in 2048. After that, you'll have to wait until 2124 to see it again, so mark your calendars for this one-of-a-kind event. One of the most exciting events on the horizon is the total solar eclipse of August 12, 2045. Known as the greatest American eclipse, it will last over 6 minutes, making it one of the longest total eclipses in history. The path of totality will stretch across 12 U.S. states, including major cities and even landmarks like Disney World. If you missed the 2024 eclipse, the 2045 eclipse will be your next big opportunity. Trust me, this will be one for the history books. Halley's Comet Return, 2061. Remember Halley's Comet? It's on its way back. Halley's Comet is perhaps the most famous comet, making its grand return in 2061. When it last passed by in 1986, many people were disappointed by how dim it appeared. But the 2061 appearance is expected to be much brighter, lighting up the night sky for everyone in the northern hemisphere to see. This comet only returns once every 76 years. So if you're around in 2061, make sure you don't miss it. Saturn's rings will disappear, 2025. Now here's an interesting one. In 2025, Saturn's rings will appear to disappear. No, they're not going anywhere permanently, but because of Saturn's tilt, the rings will line up edge-on with Earth, making them almost invisible. This optical illusion happens every 15 years, so it's a rare chance to see Saturn without its iconic rings. The rings will start to become visible again in 2032, but until then, enjoy this strange ringless Saturn in 2025. Transit of Mercury, November 13, 2032. Lastly, we have the transit of Mercury in 2032. Mercury will pass directly between Earth and the Sun, appearing as a tiny black dot moving across the Sun's surface. This only happens about 13 times per century, so it's definitely an event to watch. Unfortunately, North America won't be able to see this one, but if you're in the right part of the world, it'll be a unique sight. These are just some of the incredible events the universe has in store for us over the next 50 years. If you're as excited about these celestial wonders as we are, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more space content. And if you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.